Hello everyone, my name is Selam. For this week's Teach One presentation, I will be going over data cleaning in SQL, what data cleaning is, what it is used for, some common SQL statements used for the process, and some examples of when we might implement such code in data analysis. Data cleaning is the process of using SQL code to remove dirty data and also the process of filtering data in preparation for data analysis. It is an important skill to have as an analyst working with data manipulation, as it helps create structured and accurate data sets. Dirty or bad data is data that contains errors or that doesn't make sense. Types of bad data include incorrect entries, for example, patient encounters entered in wrong, like having data of encounters or treatments after a patient is reported deceased or before they were born. There are times where this could occur, for instance, transporting a deceased patient or completing an autopsy after death, but other types of visits would be considered an error because a deceased person cannot be seen for treatment or diagnosed. Another type is missing data, like encounters, missing diagnosis. Inconsistent data, contradictory or strange data, like length of stay inconsistent with medical issues or treatments, and also duplicates, which shows the same information entered multiple times. A few common and helpful SQL statements used for this process include where, used for filtering values with specific conditions before grouping, group by, which arranges data with the same values, having, used for filtering, can be used after grouping and with aggregate functions, and aggregate functions like max and min, which return the largest or smallest values for a column. The SQL code displayed is an example from our lecture which attempts to remove unreasonable values for age at death occurring before a patient is diagnosed. This is done by specifying that the minimum age at death is equal to or greater than the maximum age at diagnosis. The SQL code also includes all patients who are still alive by indicating null value is acceptable for minimum age at death. It also makes sure date of birth is greater than 0, so no unborn patients, by checking that age at diagnosis is greater than 0. In this example from lecture, SQL statement where is used to specify we only want ID displayed for those pregnant and not male. In this data, a pregnant male is an unreasonable grouping. Data cleaning is vital and often the biggest part of data manipulation and analysis. It is used to remove errors, filter, structure, and prepare data. Data cleaning can be used to remove complications from data, but it's important to be careful with what you're removing because it may be of use depending on the situation and analysis at hand. Here you can find my references. Thank you for watching.